Hello.
Hello. Hi, welcome to my or ARC, and nice to meet you today. Whereabouts are you from, please?
Nice to meet you too. You were breaking up. What was your name?
Oh, uh, my name is Denby Buck. I've put it, or Bark, and I put it into the chat box. Yeah, and
Okay.
your name
Yeah.
is Bassam.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Bassam. Where are you from?
I am from Iraq.
Iraq. Wow,
Um.
I haven't had an Iraqi student for a long time. I had two Iraqi students about
hmm
2 years ago. Wow, wonderful. Uh,
Wow.
tell me about.
It's been a long
Tell
time.
me. Yeah. Tell me about yourself, Bassam. Are you working for the government or are you working for a private company?
Actually, none of them. Actually, I work for myself.
Wonderful. I can
Yeah.
see
I
you have
I
some
have my own
interesting.
job. Oh yeah.
Aha. I can see some interesting a cacti, and I can see some lightning.
The lightning. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my office. Inside my house.
Wow, it's a very nice office.
Oh well, thank you so much.
You're very
Y-
welcome.
You know, I'm like, 6 hours a day. I'm an IT programmer, and 3 hours a day, um, like, I am an English teacher, and the rest of the day, I'm a coach potato.
I
Yeah.
like that. What a great,
hmm
what a great choice of words and phrases, especially phrases. Wonderful. Ah, I see. So you have a
hmm
very interesting life. You have a lot of variety in your life.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But sometimes it's really hard to manage that because sometimes you forget some stuff about the first work and sometimes you mix them up. So you need to be
Right.
really
Yes.
focused.
It's quite easy to get confused. Yes,
Mm.
indeed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also, I have like
So that sounds
a YouTube
interesting.
channel.
You have a what? Sorry.
I have a YouTube channel.
Really? Gosh,
Oh
you really
yeah.
are a busy man.
hmm oh yeah, because I like to be on social media. I do YouTube videos for teaching English.
That's wonderful. And
hmm
where did you learn your English, which is very good, of course. Bassam, where did you learn your English? How did you
Um,
uh, get so
yeah,
good at speaking English?
thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Actually, I studied English literature in my university
Oh, in Baghdad?
in Baghdad. Oh yeah.
Great. And
hmm
have you been to an English speaking country to study English?
Mm, no, actually, I haven't been to any country of speaking English, but I I have been here in Cambly, um, like for the past 4 years, so that's why I got like the English.
That's fantastic. You've 4 years, and I've been with Cambly for 3 years. So you've
Wow.
been on the platform longer than I have.
Oh
That's
yeah.
fantastic.
How was your
Great.
experience so far?
Well, after 3 years, it's a good question. Um,
hmm
yeah, generally, It's very positive. Sometimes when you work with the public, you can get difficult people sometimes.
Oh yeah.
And that can make your job challenging, but generally everybody or most people are very, very nice, and it's great to meet people like yourself from Iraq, and maybe I've met today Japanese lady.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
An Italian student. I have a Japanese student, Italian student, and who else? Oh, Korean, and a Korean student, and now yourself from Iraq. So 4 different nationalities.
That's really amazing that you are traveling through Cambly, you know. So it's like today you visited like 3 or 4 countries. Who knows what else?
It's true, and sometimes the student will show you where they are. I've had Saudis show me the desert. They've been in the desert. And they've said, these are my camels, or these are my father's camels. It's quite amazing. Absolutely.
That's really
Jeddah,
nice. Yeah.
I've seen Jeddah from the screen, the beach at Jeddah in Saudi Arabia.
You mean in Saudi Arabia? Oh yeah. I'm familiar. Yeah. So you have Saudi students, and they show you the desert and the camels, right?
They've showed me lots of things. They've shown me, their favorite restaurant where they eat, where they eat. The favorite meal is what's it called? A kapsa.
Oh yeah, it's really heavy meal, but it's delicious, man.
It is. I love Middle Eastern food. Now I'm thinking in Iraq, what is your main dish? What is your signature dish? For Iraq.
That we proud of, right?
Yes, your national dish.
Oh yeah, it's like dolma.
Ah, I've heard of that.
Yeah,
can you
it's oh yeah, it's my pleasure. Like it's like vegetable, you know, and you can say like a stuffed vegetable with maize and rice. Okay, so and we put it all together in one pot, and then we boil it. Of course, we put like some spices and you know, this stuff. Oh yeah, this is seasonings. Yeah, it's really necessary to have like the good taste. Oh my gosh, my stomach is rumbling now.
So seasonings, herbs, spices, it all goes into the pot, all goes into the mix. So wonderful.
Yeah, you can Google it, and you can you can see it, and then you will get the full image of this dish.
I will. Well, it's interesting for me because I've been to Morocco 2 times, and I really love Moroccan food: couscous, tagine.
Tagine. Yeah. Did you try to cook it at your home?
Well, to be honest with you, I did try couscous. To make couscous, it was okay. I didn't do it very well.
Not like the original, right?
I tried. Yeah, totally. Nothing like the original. No, the original was perfect. Yeah.